Hey guys, it's Selena Wire back with another video. Today I'm going to be making slime, so let's get right into the video, buddy. Yo. Okay, so the ingredients I'm going to need is a plastic spoon, or you can use a real spoon, with some activator or some Tide, a bowl. Of course, can't make it on table. Well, you can, but what if you get trouble? Then some clay that I can put in there. I had used some of it because I was bored in the car, so I just played with them. And last thing you're gonna need is some glue. So let's get right into the video. So we're gonna take the bowl and then we're gonna open the glue. This is not my first time making slime. This is like my fourth time making slime. So I know what to do. So there, when you add your glue, you're gonna add your activator now. So bubble, so let's pop that in there. Don't add like too much or it's gonna get over activated. It's gonna be hard. So now I'm gonna now this is gonna take your time and mix with your spoon that you had. I'm gonna mix till it get globbed up and coming off of the edges. See, it's still kind of like gooish, but it's kind of like slime. And then when it's like that, you need to add some more activator. Don't add that much. That's not that much. It's just like 4 milliliters. The much activator you add, the more harder it gets. And the more bigger it gets. So I'm just mixing. That's what it looks like. It's kind of turned into slime, as you can see. When it's not sticking to the sides anymore. I'm just gonna keep mixing some more because I don't want it to stick to my hand that much. I'm gonna add some more activator. Okay, that's enough activator for now. Because I don't need to use all my activator. I have to buy some more. Okay, slime is getting good. So I'm gonna start kneading with my hands. Start kneading with my hand. Very sticky. I don't know why I'm doing this. Like, I don't like this. Don't like it. My spoon is literally sticking to this. And that's how you make slime. But we're not done with this video. You still gotta knead and knead and knead. Smooth this bucket of slime out the way. So y'all can see me kneading this piece of slime. It's getting gooder and gooder the more you play with it. The more you like stretch it and play with it, it gets slimier. It don't get stickier, it gets slimier. It gets better like slime. And if your mom allows you to put it on her table, you can put it on the table and play with it. Don't crunch it. Crunch it. Don't squeeze it until it's like good, or it's gonna get super duper stuck to your hands. See what I did? I just squeezed it. I can squeeze my slime now because my slime is getting better. Just gotta knead and knead until it get good, just like stuff like you want it. Okay, now I'm gonna test this clay out on there, and if it does well with this slime, I'm gonna do it to the whole of all of it to this slime. So I'm gonna do some orange. Okay, now I'll put it in the slime. Now let's cover it and let's mix it inside of the slime until it turns orange. Give it its time to turn orange. I just have to smush it up in there. Come on, smush. Seems like it's working well, but you just gotta keep on playing with it to get all these chunks out. Like, you can just play with it for 5 minutes. See, it's turning orange. If you don't want chunks in your slime, don't add that much clay, then it won't be that much chunks. Don't add that much clay like I did, because I had a lot of clay. So yeah, it's all orange. Got some clay on the table, but it's okay. It comes off easily. Don't be scared. I know some of y'all kids out there get whoopings. Especially my bad cousins that's watching this. Kinsley, Kayla, and I forgot his name. So, Kinsley, Kayla, and y'all brother, I forgot his name. Y'all some bad, and y'all get whoopings. I know that y'all get whoopings. And I'm done with this orange slime. It's okay if it got chunks. It's very fine. Guys, comment down below if you know what orange and purple makes, because the next color I'm doing is purple. I know what it makes. Just comment down below if you know what it makes. Because I'm doing it in purple because it's my mom's favorite color. And she been wanted a purple slime. So let's put this aside for now. And let's put this orange slime to the side, and we gotta knead another piece. clear slime. Kind of messy this time. But it's gonna get a cleaner. I'm sorry if I'm not saying nothing, if it's just boring. I'm just into the slime, needing it and needing it and needing it. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all. So I wanna know how's your day been. Comment down below how your day been. And hope it been good. I hope it haven't been bad. Hope it been good. Tell me what you did on the weekend. Well, I rocked the four-wheeler something at babysitter house. Well, my godmama's house. She just babysit me when I get out of school. Yep. Comment down below if you liked the video that I opened LOL now. Well, go watch it if you haven't watched it. Okay, it's needed enough. It's needed enough if I can do a swirl. Okay, I can do that. It's needed enough when I squish it don't stay. Okay. Okay, so this is how much you should have. And I'm gonna put it in the slime bucket and spread it out, guys. That's a better idea. I'm only gonna show y'all making me 2 slimes because I don't want to let y'all stay on here that long to see me make a lot of slimes. So when I get through this purple one, that's gonna be the end of the video. So I'm almost done in this purple. So y'all better enjoy. Well, it's not near dyeing the slime yet, but it's gonna dye it. If it don't dye it purple, I'm gonna have to add a little bit more. Come on, turn purple. Well, it's turning purple. Comment down below what color I should do next. Yeah, should I do pink, red, yellow, green, or blue? Either one, blue, light blue, or dark blue, or purple. No, not purple. Don't choose purple. Don't choose orange, because I already used those. Don't choose orange or purple. You can choose blue, dark blue, or light blue, green, yellow, or red or pink. Don't choose. Do not choose orange. Do not. If you have to, put it in the comments. Do not choose orange. And if you have to, put it in the comments. Do not choose purple. So yeah. So let's finish kneading this. So I can turn purple. After this, I gotta show my mom this and do homework. So comment down below if you homeschool or, well, not homeschool, at home doing your work on the computer, or you at school. I'm in school. So I gotta go to school tomorrow. I don't stay home and do my work. I go to school to do my work. Yeah. It would be cool if I was the only person in my classroom. That was, yeah. Yeah, comment down below if you virtual or you in school. A lot of y'all might be virtual, but some people in this world might be going to school. By the way, when I was with my auntie going to Walmart, getting the new LOLs, I saw a man, he was selling puppies, but they was $50. Baseball Walmart. Baseball elementary. Not elementary. Baseball Walmart. Baseball Walmart. Comment down below if y'all think this is purple enough. I don't think it's purple enough. So I'm gonna add a little bit more purple. I want it like a dark purple. You know, a dark purple. A dark purple. Like, you see how dark this is? See how light this is? I want it this dark. So I'll put in some more clay. Y'all so lucky that I'm adding more clay so the video won't be over so fast. We've been on here 16 minutes and 40 seconds. So, yeah, the timer's up there. 16 minutes and 40 seconds. Yeah, been up here that long. Yep, the more you add, the more it get darker. The less you add, the less it get lighter. Well, y'all know what I'm trying to say. Excuse me. Comment down below if y'all heard me burp. That's why I said excuse me. Yeah. Guys, I know how to sew now, but I just started sewing. So don't be coming down below. Make me a cover. Make me some socks. Cause I'm just working on a hat right now. That's the only thing that I can do. Working on a hat right now for someone. So comment down below if you want a hat. You're gonna have to give me 3 weeks to make it. Yeah. Okay. This is a good purple. It's a good purple. So here's the orange and here's the purple. This orange cold. Very cool orange. Comment down below which one you like the best. You like the purple the best or the orange the best? It's so hard to choose from. I'm gonna have to say I like both the best because I can't choose from my slime. Like I can't choose from my LOLs. So I'm gonna mix these. I don't want to mix them. So that's it in this video here. I'm gonna show my mama the purple slime that I made first. And then I'm gonna mix them. So hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Comment down below what you gotta say, which one you like the best. And hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.